That thing is a booger to get them caught. And the most interesting screw. It's square, so you can use a wrench on it. And then, of course, it's a collar screw. But with it being behind the handle and that length, that doesn't really help you with removing it. The fact that you can do it with a wrench. So all you do is just remove the handle. But you don't have to, you know, there's no, when it's running good, you don't have to remove the cover for anything. Cleaning the fins out once in a while. I mean, you blow it, but after a while you have to scrape it out. Okay, so what do you say we do the muffler next? Sounds like Mother Nature's going to bring me some rain. Nothing like springtime and thunderstorms after sundown. If this thing will work, we'll be so happy. And we'll have another thing for the record books. With a cylinder being so bad that your saw won't run. Can you imagine how many, if this is true, how many they sold I never heard nothing about a problem, so all this work I've done to it, if somebody would have just told me, I sure could have saved some time. But I guess they were like me. Who knew? Well, after this, everybody. I don't think that's right. I'm gonna go check my numbers. Be right back. IPL's not clear. Two short ones, of course, go up top. And I guess it's 5 by 18 on the other four. This is full of 5 by 18s, and then they went to 5 by 20 on the 440. And 660, they went to 5 by up to 5 by 25, I think, on the front ones here. And this is a Magnum where, if you compare the 440, of course, is 52 millimeter piston. This is a 52. I just saw on the IPL, I didn't look, but there were two base gaskets. I would imagine one of them was a 1 millimeter. Again, that is a massive recoil.